Hi, heavenly handmaids. Hi, guys. Hi, Nisha. Hi, Miss. Hi, Alvi. Just came to check in on you guys for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll move back to filming. Walaikum assalam, Afreen Makeup and Hair. Hi, K Suhana. Hi, Rainbow Salt. Hi, Kishwar. So I just sat to kind of film something like very basic, and then the sun decided to show up, and it was too sunny, so I thought I'll come say hi while I wait, and then check in on you guys as well, because Mondays are usually boring. So yeah. Thank you so much, Ahmad Firu. Walaikum assalam, Maria. Hi, Rafiq. Hi, Anne Parveen. Hi, Anam. Hi, Walaikum assalam, Glamour by Naina. So guys, thanks for joining. Today we don't have any particular topic as such, because I'm not going to talk about makeup and this and that. But yes, I'm going to talk about the mask acne that we get, because this is a real concern for me. My skin has always been very clean and clear, but like you see, I'm getting these tiny breakouts, and a bunch of them बीच में आ जा रहा है. So I'm very worried because what happens is oil gets deposited, and it gets blocked, and that ये पूरा ना आपका vapor हो रहा है, oil हो रहा है, vapor and all. And for people like us who are wearing mask like at least 5 hours a day when we are going out to work on brides and stuff. Oh, by the way, look at my nail paint. I really like this lavenderish color. This is by Faces Canada Splash. Not like kind of telling anything, but if you guys want discounts and all, तो आपको 25% off मिल जाएगा on my story. On my main bio, you'll find the coupon link and code if you want. But otherwise, what I'm saying is, Walaikum Assalam. Khushnuma. Hi, Anne Parveen, glowing gorgeous. Thank you so much, Raima. I missed your Insta versus reality live, but both of them look so good. Thank you, Wabi. Wabi, I think you need to increase your volume. Multani Mitti Sandal Powder. Kishwar, as much as I would love to, and I'm sure it works, I'm just this lazy person who will not do anything. So what I'm trying to do right now, which has helped me also, I think आपको भी help करेगा. If you have normal to combination skin, and if you're having these breakouts just because of your mask, instead of a cream moisturizer, shift to gel based moisturizer, which has helped me. And don't apply moisturizer instantly and उसके बाद ही आप मास्क पहन के निकल जाएं, which I was doing a lot. तो मेरा वो moisturizer soak in भी नहीं कर रहा था, and there was a lot of oil deposit in this particular area, just because कि कुछ moisturizer extra रह जा रहा था. So that was also causing a lot of problems. And if possible, make sure that you're not reusing those blue surgical masks. Keep it clean, आप हटा दो after one use. And if you're going to a particular place, make sure from time to time, if you can, distance yourself, take out your mask and just kind of see how you're feeling. Don't let that air kind of be there circulating constant, जो moisture and vapor का जो होता है. Don't do that. I think those, letting your skin breathe for a second will help. Thank you. अभी फिर से cloudy हो रहा है, so I should grab this opportunity and get back to doing that, because otherwise I'll never be able to finish. मुझे दिन में lighting, I think I like it better rather than the ring light. So when I'm filming, I prefer कि ऐसा light रहे. But मेरा room का logistic मतलब not logistics, but my room's this whole structure is such कि दिन में ही I get light like that. Hi Azra Khan. Lavender is love. Yes, even I love it. Thank you so much, Samira Naz. Hi Lubaba. Hi Sajid. Hi Rukhsana. Brush and Blush by Zinat. Hello. Hi Rosina. कितने लोगों को ना मतलब लाइव के टाइम तो मैं देख नहीं पाती हूँ. लाइक व्हेन आई एम डूइंग समथिंग आई मिस अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स, सो दिस टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग नॉट टू. वालेकुम अस्सलाम इरुशदेब. क्ले मास्क, आई डोंट थिंक क्ले मास्क आर गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा और ऑयली कर मतलब ड्राई कर देता है बहुत ज़्यादा. फॉर ड्राई स्किन इट्स नॉट गुड, फॉर ऑयली इट्स. हाय मुबाशरा, thank you. Hi Sana, thank you. Hi. Okay, so these few tips I wanted to give ki, how to deal with this. And yes, of course, stop looking cute and pretty. Thank you so much, Go Glam by Nagma. So yeah, that's that. Do just basic things thoda karen. And like me, I get really busy, so 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours sometimes I'm just in my mask, not taking it out, or double masking se zyada aur ho jata hai. So be careful, and when you come back home, make sure you use a mild cleanser and get rid of all that clogged जो भी है. Don't apply makeup if not needed, because honestly speaking आपको better लगेगा लगा के कि हाँ I am doing makeup and I am going out, but your skin will not like it. So try avoiding. Like now I'm bare skin, there's no moisturizer, nothing. So that's how I prefer to go out these days. I can understand like if you have dark circles and if you feel conscious, apply some color corrector thoda bahut and BB cream, that's it. And make your own BB cream जिसका मैंने tutorial भी दिया है, reels भी है, IGTV भी है. See that, because market में जो आपको BB cream मिलेगा ना वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा heavy भी होता है, and it's like I still feel like it pulls down on my skin. The one that I create and keep, those are very light, so I feel better with that. I got my earrings from west side, I think. Hi Ashmat Ansari. तो देखिए अभी it's getting cloudy and I'm going to take this opportunity to quickly go and just film something. There's a new product which I can't talk about right now, but hopefully in my reels you'll see it soon. So I'm gonna do that right now. And thank you so much आप लोग join किए. And someday when I take another vacation or something, then I was thinking I will do this vlogging thing where I will show you guys around what I'm doing the entire day, like even at work I will show, and how my life is in general subah se uth ke and all. I don't know if you guys would be interested or not, but we can try it, right? Like seeing what I do, like when I wake up and if I'm going on a trip, or if I'm going to work, and how my typical as a makeup artist, how my day starts and ends, and what happens in between. Thank you Suhana. So I was thinking of doing, I'll probably get onto YouTube very soon with proper जिसको बोलते हैं ना videos, tutorials जो long length होते हैं, जो I think on Instagram is not appropriate, because Instagram has this short time frame ना जिसमें you have to do reels quickly, you have to do, and IGTVs are good but they are like not pushing it so much. So I feel उतना effort देके let me just make YouTube videos better. So I hope when I resume, I am on YouTube but I haven't been active, like I just posted 1-2 videos some 2 years back. So I'll start to be active there, and I hope आप लोग अपना love उधर भी transfer करेंगे, and you'll show me over there also some love and everything. So soon hopefully I will start my own proper YouTube channel. Usme I will do blogging also, and I will do vlogging also, and yeah, I'll show you all the crazy things I do throughout the day. Yes, we are interested. I'm glad you guys are interested. And ना बहुत मैं real रखने वाली हूँ. It's not going to be like it will be more like follow me around and see things. वो उतना scripted मेरे से होने से रहा. So I'll just show you all कि मैं यहाँ जाती हूँ, वैसे करती हूँ. When I go shopping, this is what I do, this is what I like, those kinds of things as well. ठीक है. Thank you for all the people who joined, who spent time with me today on a boring Monday. I hope आपको, I look so ugly right now. I hope you guys had a good time. I'll catch you guys soon. ठीक है? Always with you. Now go and film, otherwise sunlight. हाँ, sunlight आ रहा है. I have to go now. Okay. Bye.